So hey guys, what's up, Omendra back again with a new video. So in this video I will be showing you how you can play block shuffle in Minecraft with your friends. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So to play block shuffle with your friends, you need a server. We'll be creating server using Aternos. The link is in the description. So make an account here and then click create a server. Select any name you want and click create. Before changing anything, click on version. The only latest version we can play block shuffle is 1.19.4, so select that and click reinstall. Then click yes. Now click on options and make sure this cracked is enabled. This allows T-Launcher player to join the server. Click on software, click SpyGod and select 1.19.4. Then click install. Now click on plugins, search block shuffle, click this and click on this link to check the version. So here we can see the tested Minecraft version is from 1.13 till the latest version 1.19. So click download, click once again. So now the tick is shown here. Now click server, make sure that version is selected correctly and the software is also selected correctly and click start. Click yes, I accept the EULA. Wait for the server to get started. While the server is starting, you can open your Minecraft and make sure you have selected the version which you have selected here. Click install and enter the game. And time. So if you want to join the server, you can use this address or click connect and click here to copy this IP. So click connect and click here, click OK. Then in the Minecraft, click multiplayer, click direct connections and paste this IP here, Ctrl V. So if this is showing, you can again try this. So it should work. Now to play block shuffle, you need to be the operator of the server. In Aternos, click your name, scroll down and make sure the operator is selected. So invite your friend in the server so that you can play with them. Once your friend is joined, click slash and type block shuffle and to start, type start. Then click enter. It will take a few seconds to start block shuffle. A quick note, if you want to exit the server, you can exit it. The progress will be saved automatically. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.